Starting a compost pile at home is one of the easiest ways to reduce waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Best compost bin outdoor options make composting cleaner, faster, and more convenient for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. In this guide, we'll explore the top choices to help you find the perfect compost bin. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. VIVOSUN 43-gallon compost bin. The VIVOSUN 43-gallon compost bin is a practical solution for gardeners who want an easy and efficient way to turn kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost. Its twin-chamber design allows you to keep one side actively composting while the other side is being filled with fresh organic materials. This continuous composting system ensures you always have a steady supply of finished compost for your garden. Deep fins built into the panels help break up clumps while rotating the bin, improving mixing and speeding up decomposition. The ventilation holes allow proper airflow throughout the chamber, which helps maintain oxygen levels and prevents pressure buildup inside the bin. Built with a strong metal frame and durable PP plastic body, the bin is designed to withstand outdoor weather conditions for long-term use. As an added bonus, the included waterproof garden gloves with ABS claws help make digging, planting, and compost handling easier and more convenient. Number 2. Redmon 65-gallon compost bin. The Redmon 65-gallon compost bin is designed for gardeners who need a simple, spacious composting system for their backyard. With its large 65-gallon capacity, this bin provides plenty of space to handle kitchen scraps, grass clippings, leaves, and other organic waste, helping you produce nutrient-rich soil for a healthier garden. The bin is built with proper ventilation to support efficient decomposition, allowing air to circulate through the materials so they break down faster and more effectively. The design also focuses on convenience. A lift-off lid makes it easy to add new organic materials, while the 4-door access system allows you to remove finished compost from the bottom without disturbing the rest of the pile. This thoughtful structure keeps the composting process organized and simple. Overall, the Redmon compost bin offers a straightforward and reliable way to recycle organic waste and improve your garden's soil naturally.
Number 3. THEGROW'ING 43-gallon compost bin. The THEGROW'ING 43-gallon compost bin is built for gardeners who want a fast and convenient composting system without complicated setup. One of its most useful features is the upgraded internal nut design, which makes assembly significantly easier compared with many traditional tumbling compost bins. Instead of struggling to hold nuts from the outside during installation, the built-in system allows you to assemble the bin quickly, often in less than 10 minutes. The dual-chamber design keeps the composting cycle moving continuously by allowing one side to break down existing waste while the other side receives fresh materials. This setup helps ensure you always have compost developing. Constructed from BPA-free PP plastic and supported by a powder-coated steel frame, the bin is designed to handle rain, sun, and changing weather conditions while remaining stable and durable for long-term outdoor use. Number 4. Goplus 80-gallon compost bin. The Goplus 80-gallon compost bin is a great option for households that generate a larger amount of organic waste and want an efficient way to recycle it into fertile compost. With its impressive 80-gallon capacity, this bin provides ample space for food scraps, garden clippings, and other biodegradable materials, reducing the need for frequent emptying. The structure is made from thick, BPA-free plastic that is both weather-resistant and UV-protected, allowing it to perform reliably outdoors throughout different seasons. The material also helps retain heat and moisture inside the bin, which supports the natural composting process and encourages faster breakdown of organic matter. Setup is designed to be simple and quick, requiring no tools or screws, making it accessible even for beginners. Multiple ventilation holes on each side improve airflow, helping oxygen circulate through the compost and enhancing the efficiency of decomposition for healthier soil in your garden. Number 5.
FCMP 37-gallon compost bin. The FCMP 37-gallon compost bin is a well-known choice among gardeners who prefer a reliable tumbling compost system that is both efficient and environmentally responsible. Made in Canada from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic, this compost bin supports sustainable gardening while offering durable performance. Its 8-sided dual-chamber design allows users to maintain a continuous composting cycle. While one chamber is actively breaking down organic waste, the second chamber can be filled with fresh materials, ensuring a steady supply of compost for your garden. Deep fins built into the body help break up clumps as the bin rotates, improving airflow and speeding up decomposition. Aeration holes further support oxygen circulation, which is essential for healthy composting. In warm and balanced conditions, compost can be ready surprisingly quickly, making this bin a practical and efficient tool for backyard gardeners. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.